In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you're having a mic problem with your iPhone 16, 16 Plus and Pro Max. So let's get started. I'll show you a few different solutions and hopefully one of them will work for you. First solution I always suggest is to restart your phone. It only takes a few seconds. So what you need to do this, press volume up, volume down, and keep press the power button until the screen goes dark, and then we're gonna power up your phone again. So let's do it together. Volume up, volume down, and I keep press this power button. I'm not releasing it until the screen is black. Great, now I can pull my finger out of the button. This phone is currently shut down, and let's power it back on by pressing the power button until we see the Apple logo. Perfect. Now in 15-20 seconds the phone will be back. Hopefully you'll be able to use the mic of your iPhone 16. Now what if this didn't solve your issue? Well, let's go to the second solution. One of the reasons on why the mic is not working is that the app you're trying to use does not have permission to use the mic. How do you know this? Well, you simply need to go into the settings of your iPhone, then go down until you see right over there, privacy and security. Then go down until you see microphone. Tap on this. And here, well, I don't have any, but you're gonna see a list of all the apps that could use the mic. You need to turn this on so the app have access to the mic. So make sure this is done. Another thing you can try is to clean the mic. You see under your iPhone over here, there's some dots. Well, that's the mic and the speaker. I suggest you clean them all since you're there. Lint can get here, debris, and this could affect the quality of the mic, and sometimes it just gets so much clogged that it's unusable. So go ahead, take a toothpick, something very small, and try to dislodge any dirt, anything that is stuck in these over here. If nothing worked till now, well, I have more tricks, so let's continue. Go into the settings. Oops. When you open settings, it should look like this. Go into general over here, then go down and select transfer and reset iPhone. Reset. And from here, you're going to reset all settings. This will not delete your pictures. It will not delete your apps. It will simply reset all the settings that you see down below, including your mic settings. And you may have to re-enter your Wi-Fi network password since this will be resetted as well. It's one of these tricks that you can try at the end if all the other tricks didn't work. And if this didn't solve your issue, well, it maybe means that the mic is actually damaged. And the only way to know this is to plug or connect via Bluetooth a headset that has a mic. And try using the mic of the headset. If the headset mic works, but every time you disconnect it or unplug it, the mic of your phone does not, well, it means there's something wrong with with the mic of your phone. And you'll need to check this at the Apple store or a repair center. So that's just a quick way to know if the fault is actually a hardware problem. So thanks for watching. If you have any other tricks, please type a comment down below, or if one of these worked, I want to know. So type a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.